Here I like to compare two rice cookers that I have at home. One on the left here is Aroma 4-cup rice cooker. On the right here is Cosori 10-cup rice cooker. Aside from the obvious cup size of this rice cooker, the Aroma opens to the side and Cosori opens to the front. Both of the inner pots are non-stick, and the Aroma one actually has like a wide speckled. It has markings on the side for the water measurement. Cosori also have markings actually marked white very brightly. It also actually marks on two sides because there are more variety of things you can cook with it. Here's the side-by-side comparison. So obviously the smaller one is just easier to handle, lighter weight. Cosori is more heavyweight. It has more volume. Detaching the lid from the Aroma is very simple. It's basically just a plug-in. In the Cosori, they actually provide you with an orange button where you can unlatch the top lid of the inner pot. I think both are equally easy to remove and attach back. The Aroma rice cooker actually has a handle on the top, so I found it's very easy. Since it's also small, very also easy to store. Cosori has a space where you can actually carry it from the side like this, so also convenient, but from the size, I think Aroma definitely is easier to maneuver and store. Operational, equally easy, basic setting, white rice, keep warm, delay timer. Once it's done cooking, it basically just keep warm automatically. In Cosori, there are more presets for white rice, oatmeal, brown rice, grains. In addition to that, it also has function like steaming or sauteing. So very convenient and very versatile. It goes beyond rice cooking. As far as the performance of the rice cooking itself is very similar result. I did 2 cups on each, and a great result on the Aroma rice cooker as well as Cosori. I think both really cook the rice very evenly. One thing to note, Cosori takes a little bit longer, I think just because bigger compartment inside, but overall it's